Hi, this is Kay Lowry, and we are going to be talking about three scales today with a five-finger major pattern. We'll start with our right thumb on A, and remember our pattern: start, whole, whole, half, whole, and then backwards. Our left pinky, finger 5, rests on A. And if you like, here's how it looks together. The next in our series starts on E. And this time, because of our start, whole, whole, half, whole pattern, we have two black keys. So our right thumb on E, the scale goes like this. And backwards. Left hand. Together. And lastly, let's learn the B major five-finger pattern, starting with our right thumb on B. Start, whole, whole, half, whole. Be sure that your hand is in enough that your pinky doesn't slip off this F sharp. Right hand. Left hand. Together. And that is the A and E and B major scales.